Mobile phones have become one of our daily necessities, and diversified models with various designs and functions have been continuously released to the market. However, a lot of people often have difficulty charging their mobile phones due to the defects of charging cables. And today, we visit a company which has developed a creative idea that can tackle the inconvenience in daily life. We introduce PortMag, a developer of magnetic charging devices. PortMag is located in Gyeonggi's Small and Medium Business Growth Accelerating Center. People use their mobile phones more than ever before, so charging them 2 or 3 times a day is not uncommon, but it can be tricky when you're driving. Today, we meet a company that has developed a creative device that will let you charge your phone using just one hand. For more, follow me. Since the establishment in 2019, the company specializes in developing and producing charging devices that use magnetic force. It has actively developed various items, including magnetic charging cables for mobile phones, which can increase convenience and safety in people's daily life. We had a chance to meet the CEO. I heard that the company has developed an item that can increase people's convenience in their daily lives. Would you mind introducing briefly the company?
저희 회사는요, 지금 현재 자력 충전 장치로 특허를 가지고 있는 회사고요. 총 25개국에 특허 및 출원 등을 지금 진행하고 있는 회사고요. 하나의 케이블로 8핀, 5핀, 그다음에 타입 C까지 모든 제품을 하나의 케이블로 충전할 수 있는 그런 특허를 가지고 있는 회사입니다.
That's great. Spidejack, which has implemented the core technologies of the company, is a charging cable that uses magnetic force. Therefore, mobile phones can be simply attached to the device instead of the need to insert a charging cable. It has emerged as a charging cable for the future, which can be used more safely and conveniently. We're here to take a closer look at the company's innovative products. So I heard that this is your main product that can really change the way we connect cables to our phone. Could you show us how to use it?
저희 제품을 한번 보여드리자면요, 누구나 쉽고 누구나 편안하게 충전을 할 수 있다는 그 장점을 갖고 있는데요. 붙였다, 뗐다.
Wow.
붙였다, 뗐다. 근데 현재 갖고 있는 타입 C 제품이 됐든 아이폰이 됐든
Oh, goodness.
그리고 5핀이 됐든.
Could we test it out with my phone? My phone, I think, takes Type C.
아, 예.
Okay.
먼저 붙여주시고요.
Yeah.
충전하듯이 꽂아주시고요.
Okay.
그 다음에 띄고 나면 그 다음부터는 붙여주시면 돼요.
Wow, that's amazingly convenient. And then to take it off, you just pull it off like that. That's fantastic. Also, the firm has developed other products by applying the charging technologies that use magnetic force. It has developed a supplementary battery that can charge different batteries at the same time with a single charging port, and it has gained recognition as a comfortable and practical item. Aside from these charging cables, the company has come up with a couple of other innovative devices, so let's take a look.
이 기술로 만든 제품은 보조 배터리와 마우스라는 추가의 제품들이 있는데요. 기존의 보조 배터리는 우리가 선을 꽂아서 그다음 제 핸드폰에 연결을 해서 쓰는 방식이라면 그냥 기존의 제품에 보조 배터리를 떼서 제품에 붙여만 주면 충전이 되는 그런 제품입니다.
That's so simple. It just sticks like a magnet.
네.
Wow.
그래서 마그네트를 이용해서 충전을 하다 보니 여러 가지 범접한 그 부분 케이블이나 꽂았다 뺐다 하는 부분 없이 누구나 쉽고 편하게 쓸 수 있다는 게 가장 큰 장점이고요. 또 다 쓴 보조 배터리를 충전할 때에도 그냥 꽂아만 두시면 충전이 된다는 거예요.
That is amazing. So you can't make any mistakes when you're connecting the cable.
네.
It simply finds its way. That's brilliant. Portmag has achieved lots of patents with the magnetic charging technologies that it has developed. Also, by obtaining patents and certifications in overseas countries, including the US, Japan, China, and Europe, the firm has strengthened its position in the global market.
저희 포트맥은 자력 충전 장치 전문 업체로 한국, 미국, 일본, 중국, 유럽 등 24개국의 특허 등록 및 출원한 회사이며 올 포트 올 맥이라는 모든 단자를 자석으로 쉽고 안전하게 easy and safe라는 뜻으로 글로벌 제품을 만들기 위해 설립된 기업입니다. 어린아이들이나 전자기기에 익숙하지 않는 부모님들도 편리하게 이용할 수 있다고들 하십니다.
Portmag has developed advanced magnetic charging technologies, and it has made ceaseless efforts to bring innovation to the charging cable market. The firm has continuously developed new products by improving the current magnetic charging technologies. We've explored Portmag, which has created these amazing items to increase convenience in everyone's daily lives. Could we ask you, what are your future goals moving forward?
궁극적인 목표는 지금 현재 전기 자동차가 가지고 있는 여러 개의 단자들을 하나의 단자로 통합시켜서 국제 표준화를 시켜가지고 그 국제 표준화된 규격을 만든 다음 그 전 세계인들이 그 규격된 커넥터를 쓸 수 있도록 국제 표준 규격을 만드는 게 저희 회사의 궁극적인 목표입니다.
And then exporting that all over the world.
네.
Wow, that's a big goal, but good luck.
감사합니다.
So today we've taken a deep dive into the company that has developed these amazing magnetic charging cables, and we sincerely hope they can realize their future visions as soon as possible. Portmag has suggested a new vision for the charging cable area by developing cutting-edge technologies. We hope it can gain more ground in the global market in the near future.